Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche here, and we got another unboxing video. Actually, it's a couple of unboxing videos. A couple of boxes to unbox.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Yeah, that's a lot of gear. All right. Oh.
It's that old age getting to you.
Be quiet over there.
Sense of gear thought.
Talk about fish bites. We got power line crab. Oh, yep. Got more power line crab. Oh. Got power line crab. Oop, flesh pink shrimp. That's what we really need. Let me make sure I'm recording this up. It looks a little low. Barely. Nope. There we go. Alright. Flesh pink shrimp. Flesh pink shrimp. Got power line crab. More crab. And crab. And we got some flesh pink shrimp too. We got a few more bags of that. With the onset of all the main distributors being backed up on a lot of the gear, I saw one distributor had an abundance of extra of the FishBites, and since I already went through a little deal a few months ago that I had to wait 3 months for our FishBites to come in, I figured out, you know what, I'm not going to go through that again. So I jumped on the deal and I purchased all the FishBites they had. Wasn't being greedy, but I was just making sure my customers were satisfied. So that's why I did that. And I've got almost, it's over $4,000 worth of FishBites sitting right here in between these two boxes. I was just hoping they had more colors, like the electric chicken shrimp. It's the one color I was really looking for, but they didn't have it. So, well, time to get a count on that and go from there. So we'll see what it looks like here in a bit. counting all the bags, we have 850 of the FishBites. That was a lot of work, you know, opening the bags, closing them and stuff like that. So, you know, that's it's a lot of FishBites, but I already got a call that, you know, I got a customer that wants all the FishBites that I just got in. I'm like, whoa, I need a little bit for myself over here for the shop and stuff like that. So, let me see what I'm going to work out. But for sure, I need to do an update on the drawing that we're going on. We got the 6 Tackle Industry rods with MXL Raptors that you get to pick which color it is. And obviously you can upgrade or downgrade however you choose and see fit. We're also doing the 7th place with tackleindustries.com. You get to go to their website and pick out whichever rod you want. And it'll be free shipping on that one. $100 worth of gators that you get to pick from, and we are down to, I want to say when I checked it a little while, 175 tickets left, or 165, right up in there. Sorry, too many numbers, it's too many numbers, but we're almost through with it. Yes, please, we want to sell out before the weekend, so that way again we can have a mass giveaway by Thursday or Friday. I'm up for it. You know, we got more reels and stuff like that coming in, so stay tuned. We will continue going with that, and we will be doing a video on this bad boy here pretty quick, man. This thing is awesome. So I'm just waiting for a little something to come in before I divulge what's going on with these guys. So stay tuned, guys. It's coming.